Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to enable Flash Player on Firefox. So go to your Firefox and then click this three-line button and then go to add-ons and then search for Flash Player. So you want to see this Flash Player 2022, or soon it will be 2023, and then add to Firefox. So just wait for that to load and then click add and then click OK, and then you will see that it's been added already. So what you want to do is go to Flash Player Test and then click this one from ultrasounds.com and then click to start Flash Emulator. So it works just like a regular Adobe Flash Player. So that's it. That's how you enable Flash Player on Firefox. Thank you guys. Please do like and subscribe.